pepper, please. Gawa ako ngayon guys ng lechon manok, homemade lechon manok. So, ang mga ingredients ko ay cooking oil, 2.5 chicken, oyster sauce, soy sauce, ground black pepper, salt, garlic, lemon, patis, paprika. Ito yung pag-marinate guys, ito yung kailangan pag-marinate. Yun namang stuffing is onion, ginger, garlic, at saka lemongrass. Dahil wala akong lemongrass guys, ang nagawin ko ay yung dahon ng sibuyas na lang. Ito muna tinlagay guys yung yung ingredients para i-marinate ang ating chicken. So, ang gagawin natin is, this one is smoked paprika, is optional lang to siya. Dry muna tayo. So, 2 tablespoon ang chicken. 1 and 1/2 tablespoon of ground pepper.
What are you doing, Mom? Mom, what are you making?
I'm making lechon manok. Tapos, same din sa salt.
How is that salt?
No, it's salt. Ayan.
Mom, sour.
Same din sa ating paprika, smoked
Mom,
paprika.
sour.
Optional lang itong paprika guys, pero gusto kong maglagay.
I need some lemon, Mom. I need some lemon.
No, you can't have that one.
Lemon.
So, 1 tablespoon lang ilagay ko nito guys. No.
Shoot. Mom, that is spicy. Mom,
Ano ba yan? Tagal?
that's spicy.
Okay. Tapos, oops! Ano ba yan? I told you. Malagyan tayo ng soy sauce. 1 and 1/2 tablespoon din. Hold on, suso.
Yummy.
No, na-touch lagi. Look. Disturbo to sa soya, guys. 2 tablespoon na. Tapos, lagyan natin ng 1 tablespoon na patis. Oops.
What are you making, Mom?
Tapos, ang ating oyster sauce.
What's this stuff?
1 tablespoon.
What are you making, Mom?
Ano lagi? Ang likot ni soya, guys.
Wow, Mommy, that is nice.
I know.
Wow! Spicy lemon.
Tapos, oil. Two tablespoon of oil, guys. Ang ilagay ko. Tapos, isang lemon. Squeeze it.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, that's enough. 5 cloves garlic. Oh, that's enough. Okay, that's it. Okay.
Okay, that's it.
So, mga ilang glad pa tayo, guys. Maraming garlic, mas maganda. I-smash natin dyan.
That's enough.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough.
That's enough.
Yeah, that's enough.
Tapos haluin natin.
Mom, what are you doing? What are you making?
I'm making a... So, ito na siya, guys. Gumawa na ako ng pang-marinate ng ating lechon manok. Ayan. Next ay ibubuhos natin siya sa chicken. Ito yung ating 2.5 kilos na chicken. I know. Thank you, Sawyer. You're so nice. Sawyer. Tapos, buhos na natin, guys. Tapos, masi-masi natin dito. Make sure, guys, isama nyo ang... Ha? I know. Sa ilalim nito para yung marinated sauce niya ay pupunta sa kanyang, sa ilalim ng skin ba. Mamaya ko na, guys, ilagay ang stuffing nito.
Mom, I smell it.
Kailangan
Mom, smell it, Mom.
I know, it smells. It smells good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells so good. Lechon manok. Basta, guys, ilagay ko lang sa description ang recipe na to. Kayo na bahala mag-adjust ng...
Oh, that's a big one.
I know, it's a big one. I have to massage inside the cavity para mag...
Mom, that is hurts.
Ha?
That is hurts. Mom, you hear that?
Ha?
Hear that?
What hear that? Natin sa ilalim para
I
mag...
think it's an airplane.
Airplane?
No, airplane.
So, guys, tapos na. So, takpan na natin siya. Tapos, i-marinate natin siya ng 1 or 2 hours.
Mom, that is disgusting. Mom, that is disgusting.
That's disgusting? Yeah.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
Takpan natin siya, guys.
Wow. Mom, that is amazing.
Amazing? That's no, touch, don't touch. That's a raw, baby. Do not touch.
That's a big, Mommy.
Yeah, it's a raw. It's not good for the kids to touch it. Oops. Who is that? That's Daddy. So, ilagay natin sa... Ilagay na natin sa ref, guys.
Give me huggies.
Stuffing ang tiyan ng chicken. So, ito meron ako ditong garlic at flour. Oops. Lagyan natin yung dahon ng sibuyas. Sapak natin ito. Breakfast ni Upaw. She made this one. Did you use my, what is it called?
Bobby pin?
No, the sticky thingy.
Hot glue?
Yeah, hot glue. That's really cute.
People kept saying it's super cute. I want it. They're like, you should get me one. I'm like,
Who said that?
had a few girls, even the popular girls.
Oh, really?
And so I was like, they're so cute. I never knew like you could. I never like you're really like crafty, Smith. And I think. Oh, nice.
Nice.
That's nice. A little dot on it. A little dot on it.
Lagay na natin yung manok natin, guys.
Don't need cup. Yeah.
Hmm?
Don't need. And make it, Mom.
Hmm?
And George make it.
Yeah.
Oh, Daddy. Daddy.
Yan. Takpan natin, guys. Sige ng ating lechon manok, guys. Gagawa ako ngayon, guys, ng basting ng lechon manok. So, butter. Tapos, lagay ako ng Knorr liquid seasoning. Tapos, soy sauce. Uy, ano ba soy sauce? Ayan. Okay na yan siya. Ito yung brush na gagamitin natin, guys. Tapos, atin lang siyang haluin. Done na ang manok, guys.
What about this one?
No, I don't need that one. Wow. Naka-rest na siya ng 10 minutes, guys. So, let's chop it. Yan na siya, guys. Oh, manok. Yan. So, ito chop na natin. Look at the juice. Chop na natin, guys.
I'll take this
Oh,
piece
juice.
right here. Can you put that?
What is?
That piece right there. What's this? No, that one.
I think we need to do this one. And guys, oh. Wow.
That is the biggest one. Dali.
Meat. Gusto ko nito guys ay yung bone. Perfect talaga siya pagkaluto. Is it good, Shells? Tingnan niyo siya guys. Oh. Wow.
Mommy,
No. Ow, hot.
I told you
Hot.
Mommy, I told you it's hot.
Ito siya guys, mamaya ko na siya i-chop. Kasi
Kasi
meron pa naman dito guys. Nilagyan ko siya guys ng sauce. Ooh, very juicy siya guys.